Hello and good afternoon. This is Technical Indicator from the Penny Stock Express. You can watch this video in high definition. Just expand and select 720p in your YouTube settings just below the chart. I'm going to break down SNEY again technically. This is a chart that I've covered before. It's holding a nice uptrend here, started at 0.0012. It's held higher lows throughout, and it's at a key turning point. It's either going to bounce off of this trend line to start the week, or it could turn into a downtrend breaking below the MA20. The key to watch will be volume Monday morning. Basically, 5 out of the last 7 days have been bearish. You can see the candles here are making higher selling bars, and we don't want to see that to start this week, or this could turn from an uptrend to a downtrend. Basically, right now, this should be a good buying opportunity for day traders or swing traders if volume is present in the stock, because resistance points allow you to trade up and through here. All right, your support is at 0056 and 0048. The MA50 is 0056. The MA20 is 0048. Those are critical to keeping the trend along. I don't mind if shares fall below this dotted line right here. It's really just a generalization. But if they get below the MA20, it's a pretty sure downtrend signal. You want to make sure that it at least holds that as support. Okay, to the upside, resistance is going to be at 0067 and 0084. So we're right in above the MA200 for 0067, and then you get into 0084 on previous trading days. You can see that Monday really bounced up nice on good bullish buying pressure and topped out around 0.012. And then it pulled back Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. So that's what has me concerned right now. Really need to see a bounce on this stock come Monday, or the trend could reverse. Take a look what I'm talking about with regard to trend reversal. The MA20 is your middle Bollinger Band, and the last time it broke through that MA20 to the downside was right here. So you can see light volume on the stock. The PPS was a little bit higher, but you started to pull back from 3 cents, and it held that MA20, but eventually it broke. And then after that, you can see that the stock trended down. All right, when it broke back above to the upside, it pulled back and it held it. And that means that the trend is starting to establish strength. And then it continued up, and now it has pulled back again. So what we're looking for is for the trend to hold strength. If it holds that strength and it moves back up, then that's a good sign, and SNEY can continue. Now the RSI is pulling back to the 50 line. So again, we'll want to see it bounce off of there. See, the recent pullback off of the 70 line turned right around 60. So the RSI got strong in through here, broke right here, and that's where you had this bullish 1-2 punch. Then it pulled back, but continued Monday morning. Now it's really dipping down based on all the selling. Needs to hold that and continue up. Again, your MAC is about to cross the signal line to the downside. So again, some bearish things on the chart that just simply need buying volume to fix them. All right, and that's what I'm watching right now. Okay, so if we go over to my equity feed account and just have a look at support and resistance from the last week, this is a 5-day, 15-minute chart, you'll see what I'm talking about. Support's right here. This is Friday's trading action. You can see that this support line pretty much held throughout the day. Let me reestablish that. Right there. All right, so support right there at 006. So we really want to see it hold on to that and move back up. After that, your resistance on the stock from Friday is right around here. So really in between 6 and 7, 0065. And then we're talking about Wednesday and Thursday's highs right through there. Okay, that'll be resistance at 0085. Then you get into here from Tuesday, and then your recent high of 00112. Okay, so that's what we're talking about with regard to SNEY. It's really at a critical point right now. I think that it's probably going to provide good trade, day trade to swing trade opportunities off of this trend line, provided that the selling stops. So just key your volume in the morning and see who's in charge. Within the first hour, we should know whether or not SNEY is going to continue. Remember, it's okay if it moves sideways. We just really want to make sure that it continues to stay above the MA20 throughout the week. My name is Technical Indicator. You can find more videos just like this one over at the Penny Stock Express. I hope you'll stop by and sign up today. Have a great trading session tomorrow, everybody, and good luck with SNEY. Here's my full disclosure.